So today, I'm gonna be cutting open this new squishy thing that lights up. And you go like that. See that? Ow! Oh, that hurts. Okay, that hurt. So yeah, this is really new. Now I'm gonna be cutting this open. As you see, it lights up. I think I already told you that. On the screen, it looks like white, but it's actually red and blue. Sorry, that looks like white flashing. It's red and blue. The camera does that sometimes. Okay, so ready? I got some scissors. These are kitchen scissors. I couldn't find the other scissors, so who cares? So where should I cut? Right in the eyeball? I think sure. All right, right in the eyeball. See that eyeball? Destroy! See? Right there. I cut it. Right there. Whoa! Ah! Rip your eye apart. Okay, now this looks creepy. Okay, I made a good thing, actually. It's actually, I think, better than this. I don't know. Ooh, I'm gonna pop out. No, I'm gonna cut it first. You guys came here to watch me cut the whole thing. I'm gonna cut the whole thing. All right, let's go. Let's go. Lega. See my cut? See my cut? Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. This is like silicone. Oh, this is like silicone. Yeah, I know. It's like so squishy. But it was more squishy on... Actually, it was like many spikes on the outside. This feels way better. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna cut up like the feet and stuff. The arm. See that arm? That looks like a moon. Well, it doesn't look like a moon. What am I thinking? Well, your opinion. You're YouTube awesome. Ooh. This is not hollow. I thought it was gonna be hollow. Wow. I'm just gonna cut the bottom where he stands. Feet open. Open feet. The feet isn't hollow either. See? See that feet? It's not hollow. What the heck? Nothing's hollow except the body. But nothing else is hollow. Okay, now I'm gonna cut all the hair. Hair. Oh. Well, there's a lot of hair. I'm gonna try to cut this. Yeah, actually, I just cut off the antennas. What the heck? Okay, I don't even think this guy has antennas. If I say anything wrong, don't worry. It's okay, right? It's okay. So, those peoples are kind of being loud. Yeah. If you want a shout out, and I'm already cutting this thing up, if you want a shout out in the comments, say, me, please give me a shout out, and I'll do that in a shout out video. And oh, it's so squishy, but I'm cutting this. Ah! And watch, ready, and boom, whole ball. Boom! Look at this trash ball. Now the light. This looks like really weird, and okay, now you can see it's blue and red, right? A little. Yeah, and this thing is like white. but now you can see it. There. Okay, now I'm gonna cut inside the light. See what's inside the light. Alright? I'll see you later. And no, see you in like 1 second. Just pausing the video. What the heck am I thinking? Ow. The light. Ow. My ass. Ow. Please stand by. Okay, now, light. I'm gonna cook this open. Oh my. Didn't really cut with the light one. I don't know how I'm gonna cut this. I might use a knife and see you later. This bowl won't break. I tried everything. I tried scissors, knife, almost got my finger, and just won't break. So just say shout out me in the comments and I'll do a shout out to you. And yeah, this will be the end of the video. Bye guys.